fast way to create 3D solids is by using solid primitives. So start a new drawing, click this drop down arrow, click new, and since I'm using millimeters, I'm going to use Acadiso 3D template for metric units and click open. Just going to arrange my window, so go to view, tile vertically. I'm going to move this one to the other side, so just click this window and click tile vertically again. Just going to adjust my windows here. Make this one bigger. And make sure to work on parallel projection by clicking this drop down arrow by the view cube and select parallel. And bring your drawing to southwest isometric. Now I'm going to use, so inside the modeling panel, I'm going to use cylinder and click anywhere on the screen. Type D for diameter option and enter 10. And the height for that is 2. So just bring it down for 2 units. I'm just gonna zoom in. And hold down the shift key and the wheel of your mouse at the same time to turn this around. And then cylinder again. Snap the center. Type D for diameter option and enter 5. And bring it down for 10 units. So which is the height? So this is the diameter. Alright, and another cylinder. So right click to repeat cylinder. Snap the center. If it's hard to snap the center, just press the shift key. Okay, again, cylinder, right click, select center, and snap that. Alright, and the diameter for this one is, I think, 12. So D for diameter option and enter 12. And bring it down, or bring your cursor down for 4 units, which is the height. Let me check again if it's 12. Yeah, this is 12. And the next one we're gonna create is the nail. So the total here, the nail here is 11 plus 6, so that's gonna be 17. So what I'm gonna do is create cylinder again, snap the center, and type D for diameter option and enter 1.5. And pull this down for 17 units and enter. Now I'm gonna move this upward to bring it in. So move, click anywhere on the screen for base point and just move it straight upward, and make sure your dynamic input is on, polar tracking or ortho mode. So maybe ortho mode. And bring it upward for 6 units to insert it inside here. And the last one we're gonna use is cone. So inside the modeling panel, click this drop down arrow and select cone. Snap the center. Click the quadrant because it has the same diameter, and pull this down for 2.06, which is the height, and enter. So this is the height here. Okay, now I'm gonna union the objects. So I'm gonna union the nails first, this one and this one, and union this object, and this object. Now I'm gonna apply fillet. So go to solid, select inside the solid editing panel, select fillet edge, and apply. So right click and select radius option and enter 1 and enter, and select this edge and this edge, enter and enter again. So this is the one here, and another. So apply fillet edge, Right click, select radius option and enter 4. And enter. And select this edge. And enter again. And I think we're done here. So what I'm going to do is minimize this one and maximize this one. I'm just going to turn off this one here and type in MA and select materials here. There are options here. Just select materials. And I'm going to apply, I'm going to use plastic. So click this drop down arrow by the Autodesk library and select plastic. I'm just going to apply this one here for this. And then click this again and select metal. I'm just gonna select aluminum, maybe this one or this one, this color. All right. And I think we're done. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified for the next tutorial, and see you again.